Hello, good afternoon all. Welcome to Shivam Technology YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain how billing software works. It is named as Delta POS. So you have to enter the credentials. After clicking credentials, you have to click on sign in. So after signing, you can see the dashboard. So here you can see the dashboard. So basically it has mainly three modules: sales, purchase, and expenses. After that, we can also maintain the accounting like cash in hand, bank transactions, check transaction, etc. After that, the warehouse is a module where you can transfer from one warehouse to another warehouse items, and a utility area is there, or utility tab. In a utility tab, you can import items using Excel sheet. Also, you can import contacts, and you can generate the barcode of items. Okay. Also, you can create users like sale account, seller account, right? Then accounting manager, then admin. So these are the roles you can create over here. If you want to send SMS after creating a bill, so we have to add a API of bulk SMS. After that, you can also send in emails when a bill is created. After that, you can see the report section. So in report, you can see the various reports that are required for any shop. Okay, for example, profit and loss, item transaction, purchase report, sales report, etc. Below that, there is a setting tab. So in setting tab, you can do the settings like app, company name, company address, mobile number, then tax, bank accounts, currency, unit, and languages. Okay, so here I will show you how to add one item first. Okay, so you have to click on create item button. So here you have to add like pulses, okay, or anything. For example, I would add here a test as an item. So can add a brand of the item, right? Then item code, it will be automatically generated. Also, if you want to do manual code, you can also enter, no issue. But just take care. One second. Take care of item code should not be duplicate if you are doing manual entry. After that, item category, how to define, like is it a general or electronics or vegetable or cloth, etc. Also, you can add a description of the item. Below that, some basic things like sale price, is it without tax or with tax, you have to define. Then discount on sales, purchase price, for example 8 rupees is a purchase price. Is it without, you have to define the tax. Okay, then wholesale price, etc. So I am going to submit it. Okay, so your test item is submitted successfully. So after that, I will purchase that item first. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to choose a supplier. So you can add here supplier like ABC supplier. Okay, you can add all the details of the supplier like email, phone number, WhatsApp, etc. and billing address, also his credit limit as on date. So I will submit. So the supplier is saved now. So what we have to do, we have to purchase item taste from supplier ABC. Okay, so I will purchase like 100 quantity of taste item where unit is kilogram, and his items purchase price is 8 rupees. Okay, so you can see the total of 800. So if you want to settle the payment, you can directly pay 800 rupees as a cash or check. Okay, so after that you have to click on submit button. So we have done the successful entry of the taste item which is purchased from ABC supplier. So now if you check item ABC, you can see the stock of the item. One second. So item stock report is there, yes. So general, you have to click on general item taste. So you just click on submit. Okay, we have to submit. One second. So you can see taste has a quantity of 100 in stock right now. So after that we will create a one sample bill. We have just seen the how to add purchase bill. Okay, so now we will sell the same item in point of sale window. You have to add taste. So you can see 100 stock is available. The sale price is 10 rupees. And you have to add, if suppose customer, if you want to add, you have to click this blue circle, then add the customer name, for example sh sham, last name yes. Okay, then below that you have to click on submit. Okay, so again we have to add the taste. So you can add here multiple items. Okay, also you can have multiple options. Directly you can just click on item, it will directly add to point of sale window in items grid. So if you want to finish the billing part, you have to just click on save, or you can, if your printer is connected, you can say click on save and print. Okay, now I will click on save button. So it's a simple. Now bill is now saved. Now Sham was the customer name, date, invoice number, who created the bill. If you want to take a printout, you can click on PDF. Okay, so here PDF is downloaded. Item name, quantity, sale price per unit, etc. Okay, you also send SMS here, payment history of the customer. You can receive payment. There are so many options here for that particular invoice. So this is about the sale. Now if you want to maintain the expenses of the shop, for example light bill, petrol charges, then employee rent, so these are the things, right? So for that you have to click on create expenses button. You have to create the select the category. Okay, like employee salary, or in Maharashtra pagar, or wait one second, To if you want to create a category, you have to click on category list, then click on category. Salary is the head of the name of the expenses, so you have to click category type, direct expenses or indirect, then click on submit. After that, click on expenses list, then click on create expenses, then click on salary. Okay, so here subcategory is also there. So for example, if you want to pay your employee salary, you can enter his name or month of the salary, right? For example, currently February is running, right? February month is running now. I will add Feb month salary quantity one. So like he worked 18 days. So per day, let's say 300 rupees charge. Okay. So let's say 15 day he worked. Okay. So his salary is 4,500 rupees in India. So you have to click on submit. So this is how we have just added one example of expenses. Okay. Then there are some other modules are there. We will see it later. Let me know if you have any questions. So this is all about the dashboard. Um, like pending sales order, completed sales order, payment receivables, payment payables, pending purchase orders, etc. Total expenses, how many customers are there. Okay, then you can see the graph of sale versus purchase. Okay, then recent invoices, trending item. So this is all about the dashboard. So if you want to purchase this software, call me on 9028 121378. Thank you.